Okay, so I picked up a new toy we'll take a look at. I was looking for a knife that I can use at work. Basically just something a little nicer, call it a business casual knife. Something not as big as my Benchmade turret with the mycarta on it that I don't have on me right now. And I'm not done much of anything more yet with this pilar, with that regular size pilar with the flipper. I still have some ideas, but just no time really to worry too much about this. But anyway, so I wanted to try something else. So let's take a look and see. The other thing is, there's a lot of them I like, but I don't want to spend that much money. They're too expensive. So I was looking for something a little more affordable. And these definitely are. It's not American, but that's okay. Peanuts, that's always fun. That's kind of a cool sticker. You'll see that. That's fun. So, here we go. CJRB. Open it up. Nice box, but really, who cares about the box? Cool little pouch. I can maybe use it for something else. Surely no reason to keep a knife in it, right? More silica gel. That's always good for dinner. Here we go. That's actually gonna be kind of cool. So, have a CJRB, what's this thing called? Pyrite. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. I like that. I'll have to take it apart and clean it a little bit. That's nice, but not quite drop. I can feel it grinding in there. Little button lock, all steel. So I went with all steel because I wanted to see how it's done inside. Because just like the pilar, adding the flipper and starting to polish the blade, messing with the scales a little bit, and just kind of feeling out what I want to do with this. Can't leave this one alone. I mean, come on. It's stock right now, and that's just not how anything needs to be. So what we're going to do is modify it somehow, some way. I'm not sure yet. I was thinking of maybe making some complete micarta scales with a little steel insert in the micarta that you don't see, just for a little strength. Maybe make some out of wood. Maybe alter these steel, because this is steel scales as well. And so it's just a heat treat and some sanding for the lines. Of course, this one's kind of beat up now a little bit. But yeah, so we'll see. Maybe you can find a pocket clip. And if I keep this pocket clip or any of them this style, we will mill out in whatever scale we have to fit it in flush. So it's already got the flush screws in the pocket clip. So we'll flush that out. Dude, that's actually, that's really nice. That's pretty cool. So anyway, just open it. I'll carry it for a little while I think of what I want to do. It's actually pretty light. You can see they do have it milled out quite a bit on the inside compared to the pilar, which is just solid chunk of steel. This one is milled out. I'll take it apart later. We'll take a look at the action, because one of the things I wanted to do with this thing, I wanted to turn this into a button lock. So that's another reason of getting this, so I can see how that mechanism works and maybe make one to convert this over with new scales. So anyway, CJRB, was it Pyrite? That's actually nice. That's pretty cool. Should be fun. Another project.